Welcome to Tech Up. Today we dive into a collection of extraordinary gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your lifestyle. From enhancing your morning coffee ritual to upgrading your relaxation game, these unique products bring style, functionality, and innovation to your daily routines. Stick around to discover how each item can transform your experience. And don't forget to explore the product links in the description. Subscribe for more amazing finds. Chambord French Press Coffee Maker. If you're a coffee lover, the Chambord French Press Coffee Maker is your gateway to a premium coffee experience. This iconic coffee maker brings elegance to your mornings with its timeless design and exceptional brewing capability. Made with durable glass and stainless steel, it not only guarantees flavor-packed coffee, but also ensures longevity. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a peaceful morning, this French press is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Product link in the description. Sonos Roam Portable Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. For music enthusiasts, the Sonos Roam Portable Speaker is a game changer. Compact, waterproof, and designed for adventure, it delivers rich, room-filling sound no matter where you are. Its seamless connectivity lets you take the beats from your living room to the beach without missing a note. It's more than just a speaker, it's a lifestyle accessory for anyone who loves quality sound on the go. Product link in the description. Sweese Double Wall Glass Coffee Mugs. Pair your French press coffee with Sweese Double Wall Glass Coffee Mugs. These mugs are crafted with double wall insulation to keep your beverages at the perfect temperature while preventing condensation on the outside. They're elegant yet practical, making them ideal for coffee, tea, or even desserts. Lightweight and durable, these mugs bring sophistication to every sip. Product link in the description. RockDove Men's Memory Foam Slipper. After a long day, treat your feet to the ultimate comfort of RockDove Memory Foam Slippers. These slippers are more than just footwear, they're a haven for tired feet. With breathable fabrics, plush memory foam cushioning, and anti-slip soles, they combine practicality with relaxation. Whether you're lounging at home or stepping outside for a quick errand, these slippers make every step feel luxurious. Product link in the description. Rohent Portable Hands-Free Neck Fan. Stay cool in any situation with the Rohent Portable Hands-Free Neck Fan. Lightweight and designed for ultimate convenience, this fan is perfect for outdoor activities, workouts, or simply beating the summer heat. With multiple speed settings and a long battery life, it provides a breeze wherever you need it, keeping you fresh and comfortable throughout the day. Product link in the description. JLab JBuds Luxe ANC Wireless Headphones. Experience music like never before with JLab JBuds Luxe ANC Wireless Headphones. Featuring active noise cancellation, these headphones let you immerse yourself in crisp, clear audio without distractions. Whether you're working, traveling, or unwinding, their comfortable fit and long-lasting battery make them a must-have for audiophiles and multitaskers alike. Product link in the description. Boriwat Back Massager. Transform your downtime into a spa-like experience with the Boriwat Back Massager. This device is designed to target sore muscles with deep tissue relief, easing tension and promoting relaxation. Its adjustable settings let you customize the massage to your liking, making it the perfect remedy for stress and fatigue. Whether you're at home or in the office, this massager brings instant comfort to your day. COSORI Coffee Mug Warmer and Mug Set. Take your coffee drinking experience to the next level with the COSORI Coffee Mug Warmer and Mug Set. This set ensures your favorite beverages stay warm for as long as you need, eliminating the rush to finish your drink. The sleek design fits perfectly on any desk or countertop, making it both a functional and stylish addition to your daily routine. Product link in the description. SMIRLY Charcuterie Boards Gift Set. Elevate your hosting game with the SMIRLY Charcuterie Boards Gift Set. Perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a cozy night in, this set includes beautifully crafted boards and accessories for creating stunning food presentations. It's not just a serving tray, it's a centerpiece that turns every meal into a celebration. Whether you're a foodie or a host, this set is a delightful addition to your home. Hummingbird Solar Lantern. Add a touch of magic to your outdoor spaces with the Hummingbird Solar Lantern. This charming and eco-friendly lantern absorbs sunlight during the day to illuminate your garden, patio, or balcony at night. Its intricate design adds a decorative flair, while its functionality makes it perfect for outdoor gatherings or quiet evenings. It's a blend of beauty and sustainability that enhances any space. Magic Bullet Blender. Transform your kitchen tasks with the Magic Bullet Blender, a compact and versatile appliance that's perfect for smoothies, sauces, and quick meal prep. Its powerful motor and sharp blades make blending, chopping, and mixing a breeze, saving you time in the kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a healthy breakfast or creating delicious dips for your next gathering, this blender handles it all with ease. Its sleek design fits perfectly on any countertop, making it a stylish yet functional addition to your cooking space. Experience the joy of effortless meal prep with this must-have kitchen gadget. Product link in description. KUZKUZY Tabletop Fire Pit. Create a warm and cozy atmosphere anywhere with the KUZKUZY Tabletop Fire Pit. This portable fire pit is perfect for indoor or outdoor use, adding a touch of elegance to your dining table or patio setup. Its minimalist design and durable construction make it both stylish and practical, while the clean burning fuel ensures a smoke-free ambiance. Use it to toast marshmallows, set the mood for a romantic evening, or enhance your decor with its soft glow. The KUZKUZY Fire Pit is not just a centerpiece, it's a conversation starter that brings people together. Product link in description. That's a wrap on today's incredible finds. Each of these products combines innovation and practicality to bring a touch of luxury and convenience to your life. Explore the product links in the description to shop your favorites. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Up for more exciting recommendations and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.